Hello, my name is Emily. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up for experiment 9, the simple harmonic motion. So before I began, I got all my materials. So instead of a ruler, I just have a tape measure. I printed out this protractor, and then I found a 1/4 pound bob, which is this right here. And then I measured out this string to be 8 feet long. Yes, so then I came outside and I found something that this could hang from. Let's see if I can get it. Yep, so that thing right there is where the pendulum is hanging from. That way I can, adjust the length accordingly, and, it's just easier for it to swing back and forth. So what I did was I climbed up on a step stool and then I measured out. So for the first one, it's 80 centimeters, so I measured out 2.62 roughly feet, which is how many feet 80 centimeters is. So as you can see, we're right on the money with this. Once I did that, I hung it up, and then so the pendulum. So for this part, I'm gonna take my protractor and then cut it right in the middle, go 10 degrees, and then let it start swinging with a little more force than that. And then I'm gonna time it, and I will see how long it takes for me to get 10 oscillations. And then I will repeat this process 2 other times, so I'll have 3 trials for each. Then once I'm done with this, I'm gonna stop it, remove the string from what it's hanging from, and then measure out, I believe, 100 centimeters, which is 3.25 feet. So that's like right about here. So I'll measure it to this length, so the bob will obviously be hanging a little lower. And then same thing, I'm gonna bring it out to 10 degrees with the protractor, just like this. Bring it out 10 degrees, and then watch it do 10 oscillations, count that, put the time down, do 3 trials, and then I will repeat this process for 4 feet, 120 centimeters, and then 140 centimeters. And then once I'm done with, that'll be trial, I guess. Well, there's 3 trials for each one, but that'll be like the first data table. And then I'm gonna scroll down, and now we'll do the same thing for 20 degrees. So I'll reset the length to 80, remeasure it, hang it back up. But instead of measuring this out to 10 degrees, I'll measure this out to 20 degrees, and then do the same thing, count until it gets 10 oscillations, write down the time, do that 3 times, and then go through each length of the strings. And yeah, that is my experimental design. Here again is another look at the pendulum that I'm working with. Here's the protractor I used, and here's the tape measure I used to measure out the length of my rope. Thank you.